Arts Fairfax is the local arts agency for Fairfax County, and we are a service organization, and we distribute grant funding to the arts, to all disciplines in the arts, and we run a lot of arts services to help capacity building and support and grow audiences for the arts. We are working on a master arts plan. We're coordinating with colleagues in the county to grow the arts in Fairfax County. And so Imagine Art Here was an idea of how to engage the community in a dialogue about art and what they'd like to see in their communities in the way of arts amenities and arts programs. So we love the idea of going around the county with Imagine Art Here, a public art engagement and public art installations. And we applied to the National Endowment for the Arts for a grant to do this. And so we've gotten now 2 grants, and then we are matching those grants with private sector support to complete the projects.
The project began in Tysons and continued with 7 Corners last year. Springfield is now the 3rd location for residents to Imagine Art Here.
So we've chosen communities throughout Fairfax that are in the process of redevelopment to target for these Imagine Art Here public art engagement projects. And we're really excited about having the next project in Springfield to hear from residents, visitors, and employees in the Springfield area about their vision for the arts and the role of the arts in the future redevelopment of the area.
And I think the interesting part about this year, it's like the community is different, the diversity in this community is different. So that's the key part of the project as well, just to merge this diversity in the community.
This year's project is a set of 3 interactive display modules that are designed to bring the communities in, out.
So the project is called In Out, and it means bringing the in out, bringing the inside of the community out. Basically what we're trying to do is to showcase who the communities are and what they do and what are their interests in arts. By showcasing who they are, literally. We're showcasing their portrait pictures. So that's kind of like the essence of the project. And it's a project that enables participation, not only by taking the portrait pictures of the community, but also allowing them to participate and become part of the art piece and also have fun.
The In-Out project has 3 components: show us who you are, tell us what you think, and discover Springfield. Show us who you are, with portraits submitted online and at photo booth events that will take place before and during the installation. Tell us what you think by participating in the installation's interactive questionnaire with questions like, what art activities do you enjoy? And what makes you feel creative? During the final phase of the project in July and August, residents will discover Springfield. You can visit the project at one of its 2 locations, Old Keene Mills Shopping Plaza and the Springfield Town Center, to interact, answer questions, take a photo, and become part of your community's public art.
This is a community-based public art project, and the success of the project depends upon the involvement of the community.
And that's the out of the community, just like, okay, this is your face, and this is you, and this is the community, really. You know, you are the community, and you can make the difference if you want. Everyone is an artist. Sometimes people don't know, or they say, oh, I'm not creative, but they are, because whatever they're doing with passion, to me, it's art. So because of that, we want to make sure everyone can participate in our art piece and see the results.
It's easy to become a part of Imagine Art Here in Springfield. Come to a photo booth event or submit a photo and answer questions online at the In-Out website or with the In-Out app. Imagine Art Here in Springfield, where you bring your in, out.